Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the old legacy shapes in Photoshop 2023. If you're looking for the classic shapes that were available in older versions of Photoshop, you can easily enable them in just a few steps. First, go to the top menu and click on Window, then select Shapes to open the Shapes panel. Once the Shapes panel appears, click on the menu icon in the top right corner of the panel. From the drop-down menu, click on Legacy Shapes and More. Photoshop will now load the Legacy Shapes and More folder into your Shapes panel. Now expand the Legacy Shapes and More folder, and inside it you'll find the Legacy Shapes collection. These include many of the classic shapes from older Photoshop versions. You can now select any shape and start using it in your design. And that's it. That's how you can enable and use the old legacy shapes in Photoshop 2023. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also find more helpful tutorials in the videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.